So any doubt in line inclined to plane? So let's start line inclined to both the plane. Line one inclined to the plane, drawing question or solving the question is very easy. Line inclined to both the planes means front view as well as top view will get shorter than the planes as well as the inclination different from the true inclination. You can see in this question, okay, in this figure, B1 is the final position, line inclined to both of the plane. Can you see this? AB1. AB क्या है? What is capital AB in this question? In this point, figure 10.9, capital AB, when the line is inclined to horizontal plane and only and parallel to VP. Is it?
Yes, sir.
You can clearly see the line AB, capital AB is inclined to horizontal plane only and parallel to vertical plane. So that A B dash, okay, small a dash, small b dash is the front view in the simple case, and small ab is the top view in simple case. So front view क्या बन रहा है? Front view is nothing but true length as well as true inclination theta you can see, and the top view is small ab is to xy shorter length in a simple case. Now if you consider the inclination of line vertical plane also 5 degree, okay, you can see the rotation of B to B1. Suppose this is 5, okay, inclination of line with vertical plane also. So you can see the length of front view is now also changing. Now it is shorter than the true length A dash B dash. It is B1 dash, A dash B1 dash. Is it? And as well as the position of top view, AB is now inclined, and we'll get the new position A B1. Okay. So here A capital A and capital B1 is the final position of line, inclined to both of the plane. Okay. So let us consider the question directly. Get suppose there is a line AB, okay, of length equals to 50 mm. Okay, there is a line of length equals to 50 mm. Okay, and the inclination of this line from HP, the inclination of line from HP is 30 degree. Okay, it is inclined at 30 degree to horizontal plane and 45 degree to vertical plane. Okay, so these are inclinations for that particular line. A is and A, okay, and A, for and A the coordinates are given is 10 mm above HP, okay, 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of BP. Okay, so for and A the coordinates are given. Okay, so this is the whole question. Okay, line inclined to both the plane, line is neither parallel to SP nor VP. Okay, line किसी के parallel नहीं है, line is inclined to both of the reference plane. Okay, let's start the solution of this particular. So these the type of questions can be solved in 3 steps. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Solve this question in 3 steps. First of all, assume line inclined to horizontal plane only. So if you will assume line inclined to horizontal plane only, so ये कैसा आएगा? Okay. In this case, line is inclined to horizontal plane only. Okay. Line is inclined to horizontal plane only. Theta. Theta degree. Say theta degree. Okay. So assume that line AB inclined to horizontal plane only. Draw A dash B dash. Draw AB. So we'll write A के लिए तो सेम रहेगा नोटेशन A dash. For B we'll write B1 dash and B1. Okay. Step 1. So do these things. Okay. First of all, draw front view of true length, true inclination, and draw top view. So okay, here theta is 30. Okay, so we are assuming that line is inclined to horizontal plane only. क्या assume कर रहे हैं first step में? We are assuming line is inclined to horizontal plane only. Okay, 30 degree and parallel to VP. अभी assume नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी consider नहीं कर रहे हैं 45 degree to VP. We are just assuming line inclined to horizontal plane only and parallel to VP. So first of all, draw reference line. Okay, first of all, draw reference line XY. First of all, draw reference line XY. Like this. Okay, reference line XY. Next क्या करेंगे? Draw the projection for which coordinates are given. तो इसमें किसका coordinates given है? इसके लिए information given है and A. So first of all, draw the projections of and A. क्या क्या रहेगा बताओ for and A? Front view 10 mm above. Okay, front view 10 mm above A dash and 15 mm below A. थोड़ा सा पास 10 mm above A dash and 15 mm below A. So I'm writing this thing. Okay, this is A dash, this is A. पहला काम यही रहेगा. First of all, draw reference line, then draw the projections for which the coordinate is given. Okay, and A, the coordinates are given. Okay, so this is 15 and 10. 15 थोड़ा सा भी क्लोजर हो सकते हैं थोड़ा सा. थोड़ा सा क्लोजर ड्रॉ करते हैं 15 को. Okay, this one. Okay, चलो ये 10 15. This is of 10 and the below one is 15. Next क्या कर सकते हैं? We are assuming line inclined to horizontal plane only. So what about the front view? ये ड्रॉ करना है. What about the front view? A dash B dash is of true length. A B parallel to XY short length. इतना ही ड्रॉ करना है अभी. First of all, draw A dash B dash of true length. So first of all, draw okay a line inclined at using this red ones. Okay, 30 degree and length equals to 50 mm like this. 30 degree and length 50 mm. So what about the name of this particular point? First step, we'll write B1 dash. Okay, now find B1. For this B1 dash, find B1. B1 कहाँ पे मिलेगा? You'll get B1 parallel to XY passing from A. So draw a line parallel to XY passing from A, and from this particular view A dash, B1 dash, draw a projector line. इसी के projector line पे B1 मिलना चाहिए. Is it? This is the concept of point. What about this intersection point? What is this intersection point? This is B1. Okay, now we have A, B1, A dash, B1 dash. Okay, so this is the case when line is parallel to HP and inclined to HP and parallel to VP. We are considering inclination theta only. Okay, we are considering this inclination theta. Okay, this is theta. Okay, 30 डिग्री. हमने एज्यूम किया लाइन को हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन के इंक्लाइंड और वर्टिकल प्लेन के पैरेलल. So A dash B1 dash is true length, which is 50 mm. This A B1 is 50 mm. Okay, and A dash B1 dash, and this A B1 is short length parallel to it. Now see here. Initially AB, we have assumed this position A, capital B. Now if you will give inclination to VP also, so tell me the length of AB, small AB, top view of this particular line. Okay, is it changing? Means length of small AB and small AB1, is it same or changing? Is it same or changing? Length of small AB and AB1, you can see in this figure. Both are same or different?
Same, sir.
AB1 is the final position. Okay, AB1, capital AB1 is the final position of line. हमें उसी position पे draw करना है. Means we want length of top view AB1. So is it equal to AB or different than AB? Small AB. It is equal. Means this
Both are equal.
drawn length AB1 is both are equal. Means this is length of top view. Okay. Yeah, or you can say true length of top view. You can say this is true length, or you can say final length of top view. This is final length of top view. Top view का final length यही होगा. But what about the actual position? It should be inclined to XY. Okay, it should be inclined. Here we are getting parallel because we are assuming line inclined to one plane only. But what we have now in this condition, we have the final length of top view, which is limited to AB1. Is it? We have the final length of top view AB1. We don't know the final position. It will be inclined to XY, but we don't know the inclination right now. तो आगे चल के हमको मिलेगा. But what we have now, we have final length of top view for the final projection. Okay. Secondly, you can see in this figure, while giving it inclination to VP, just see capital B and capital B1. Distance of capital B and distance of capital B1 from ground. Okay. Is it changing while giving inclination to vertical plane? The distance of capital B is changing or not while giving inclination to vertical plane? Why making it in the final position?
No, sir.
Means it can rotate in a circular path. Is it? If you increase the inclination, it will rotate in a circular path.
Yes, sir.
And what about the front view of that circular path? अगर फ्रंट से देखोगे वो सर्कुलर पाथ को तो क्या दिखेगा? डायमीटर दिखेगा. You can see a diameter, straight line. Is
Yes.
it? So वो उसी स्ट्रेट लाइन में वो कहीं भी मूव कर सकता है. Point B. That depends on the inclination. कितना इंक्लिनेशन है वर्टिकल प्लेन से. But what about the movement of capital B? It will move on a circular path. Okay. और वो सर्कुलर पाथ का फ्रंट व्यू क्या होगा? स्ट्रेट लाइन. और दैट स्ट्रेट लाइन इज नथिंग बट द लोकस ऑफ एंड पी इन द फ्रंट व्यू. तो यहां पे हम लोगों को एक क्या ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा? वी कैन ड्रॉ अ लोकस लाइन. ओके, we can draw a locus line like this. इसी लोकस लाइन में क्या मिलेगा? विल गेट फाइनल
B1.
b dash, not b1 dash,
B dash.
फाइनल b
B
dash.
dash.
क्लियर? फाइनल b dash. और लोकस लाइन का नोटेशन कैसा होता है? सिंगल लाइन देन डबल डैश. तो यही ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है, टू स्मॉल डैश देन अगेन लाइन, टू स्मॉल डैश. ओके, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ लाइंस तो पढ़े ही हो, उसमें लोकस लाइन का डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने बताया था. ओके, ये यहाँ पे प्रॉपरली जो लोकस लाइन का डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है वो ड्रॉ करो. एंड लेट्स दिस इज ओके, राइट डाउन locus. This is nothing but locus of front view of and B. Okay, locus of front view of and B. This is nothing but locus of front view of and B. So in on this particular locus line you'll get B dash, but we don't have length right now. We have length of top view but don't have the length of front view. So next क्या करेंगे? Assume line inclined vertical plane only and do these things. Assume line inclined to vertical plane only and do this part. Draw top view of true length, front view, shorter line parallel to xy. Are you getting this one? Assume line in this position. Line inclined to vertical plane only and parallel to horizontal plane. Second step. Second step में हम लोग consider कर रहे हैं second inclination. First inclination 30 degree is over. Now we are assuming line inclined to 45 degree VP only and parallel to horizontal plane. तो इस केस में फ्रंट व्यू कैसा होगा? What about the front view? Parallel to xy. And what about the top view? True length, true inclination. Okay. So let us draw. So I am drawing this 45 degree starting from A because this is top view. So draw a length of 50 mm. What about the name of this particular point? Name it as B2. Second step. Okay. B2. Now what about the top view of front view of B2? Draw another projector line passing from B. Draw another projector line passing from B like this and locate B2. Okay. So B2 कहाँ locate करेंगे? B2 dash. B2 A dash B2 dash should be a parallel line parallel to XY. तो यहाँ पे एक blue line दिख रहा होगा which is parallel to XY passing from A dash. So this intersection will give you B2 dash. B2 dash. Okay, let's make it green. We are using green for this particular. Okay, I am using little darker. Okay, this one and this one. And for red, these are okay. Now it's good. Okay. Okay, so this AB1, sorry, not AB1, this AB2, small AB2 is the top view when line inclined to vertical plane only, and this is the inclination phi. Are you getting this one? And what about the length of AB2? Length of AB2, it is true length 50 mm. See, in this figure you can see, okay, AB, we have assumed capital AB, line inclined to vertical plane only. So we are getting AB2 and AB2 dash. So you can see A dash B2 dash is parallel line parallel to XY, and AB2, small a B2 is a line of length equals to length of line and inclination phi, true length. अब देखो इस कंडीशन में while making it to incline to HP, what about the length A dash B2 dash and A dash B3 dash? A dash B3 dash is the final length of front view. Is it equal to A dash B2 dash? While making it to final position, AB3 फाइनल पोजीशन है इस केस में. तो अब AB3 केस में लाने पे वो चेंज हो रहा है लेंथ फ्रंट व्यू का. इन दिस केस, इज इट चेंजिंग length of front view while making it to final position? Anyone? I'm just asking the length of A dash B2 dash and A dash B3 dash. Both are same or different? Same, na? Same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Means this is nothing but final length of top view. Sorry, front view. Front view final length. Okay. अब यहाँ पे A dash B2 dash is the final length of front view, and this is the locus of front view of NB. So we have both the things. अब यहाँ से सिर्फ मूव करना है, ठीक है. Now we want locus of top view of NB also. So you can see here the distance of B, capital B and capital B3 from vertical plane while making it to the final position, means taking inclination with horizontal plane also. Is it changing the distance of B and B3 from a vertical plane? Both are same or different? Distance from vertical plane means distance of small b dash B3 dash and capital B3 and small B2 dash capital B2. Sorry, capital B, not B2. Small B2 dash capital B and small B3 dash capital B3. दोनों का डिस्टेंस सेम है? सेम और नॉट?
No, sir.
इसको 360 इंक्लिनेशन भी दोगे तब भी डिस्टेंस उसका क्या रहेगा वर्टिकल प्लेन से? दैट विल बी सेम, because we are giving inclination with horizontal plane only. We are not changing inclination with vertical plane. So B का point क्या रहेगा? That will be fixed. That will move in a vertical plane. और जब उस vertical circular plane का टॉप व्यू बनाओगे तो दैट विल बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. और यहाँ पे वो स्ट्रेट लाइन क्या दिख रहा है? आर एस. यू कैन सी दैट इज नथिंग बट आर एस. तो जो कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी होगा फाइनल टॉप व्यू, दैट विल मूव ऑन दिस आर एस लाइन ओनली. So this is nothing but locus of top view also. Locus of top view of NB. Draw properly. Okay, next. This is locus of top view. Locus of top view of NB. Okay. So now we have locus of top view, locus of front view, length of top view, length of front view. Next क्या करना है? Just rotate, taking small a as a center, a b1 as a radius. Rotate this. Okay. Rotate this to the final position like this. Rotate this to the final position. Rotate this one first. So consider a dash as a center. We are rotating this one first. Okay. Like this. Okay. So you will get the final position, final b dash. final B dash. Join A dash B dash. Okay, join A dash B dash. That will be final front view. What about the length? A dash B dash. किसके equal है length A dash B dash? That length A dash B dash is equal to
A dash B2 dash.
A dash B2 dash. Very good. A dash B2 dash. Now यहाँ से drop करो एक. You can easily drop a projector line. Okay. Projector line जहाँ पे भी locus line को cut करेगा. What about the name of this particular point? Final B. With the concept of line, join A, join A, B. This is final top view. Or you can make a rotation taking A as a center. ये ऐसे rotate कर सकते हो. Okay. And what about these inclinations? ये inclination क्या कहलाता है? This one. This is alpha, apparent angle alpha, and this is beta, inclination of the views. Okay, this is called beta, apparent angle beta. Okay, this is beta. Easy. First of all, assume the line inclined to horizontal plane only. Draw AB1 and A dash B1 dash, and draw the locus at B1 dash. Mark this length AB1, final length of front view, top view, final length of top view. Then assume the line inclined to vertical plane only. Draw AB2, draw A dash B2 dash, draw locus at B2, which will be the locus of top view of end B. Okay, rotate the length. Okay, and find the final views A dash B dash and A B. Easy, बन जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
बन जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
Suppose in the question angles are not given. Okay. In this question angles are not given. 30, 45 final angles are not given. Given क्या है? The length of front view and top view. Okay. A dash B2 dash is given and A B1 is given. बन जाएगा question. Can you make this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो अब मैं सिर्फ पीपीटी से दिखाता हूँ questions. Line inclined to both the planes. Okay. You can see here, okay, a line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. The first one. Second one, line inclined to VP only and parallel to HP. Second one. Okay. Now third, you can see the line inclined to both HP and VP. Is it visible to all of you? See, the line is inclined to both the plane AB. Is it visible? This line AB is inclined to both of the reference plane.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
can see
Yes,
at
sir.
an angle of alpha we are getting A dash B dash, and at angle of beta we are getting AB. So these are the final projections. Okay. तो ये बनाने के लिए तुमको 3 स्टेप में मूव करना ही पड़ेगा. First of all, find out. Okay, so these are the final projections. Next, if you see how to draw. So this is the step 1. Are you getting this? Step 1, A dash B1 dash A B2. Find out the second, consider the second inclination and rotate both the views. Easy. Rotations will be different. Okay, हो सकते हैं, different हो सकते हैं. Just see the concept. Okay, let us take an example. You can see all the notations here. Okay, theta and alpha construct with a dash. You can see true in length, a dash, b1 dash, a b1. These are the true length, a dash, b1 dash, and a b1. Angle of true length with hp, angle of true length with vp. So ये theta or phi. Okay, this theta is nothing but true inclination with horizontal plane. Phi is nothing but true inclination with vertical plane. Angle of front view is called apparent angle, which is alpha. Angle of top view, which is beta. Okay, LTV and LFV, length of front view, length of top view. These are the components. Okay, components of A1 and A1 dash. So you can see A dash, 1 dash, and A1. These are the length of front view and top view in simple position when you are taking inclination with one plane. और इनका फाइनल पोजीशंस कब होगा when considered inclination with both the planes. So A dash, B dash, and A B. These are the final positions. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, line A B ये तो सॉल्व कर चुके, similar type of question. Okay, just see solution. Okay, first of all locate A dash and A with the given data 12 mm above and 10 mm in front of VP. Okay, then first of all consider line inclined to SP only. Find out, draw the true length and find out B1 dash. Then draw true length in the top view. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा simultaneously draw the front view top view of both the case. Okay, easy, बन जाएगा ये.
Yes, sir.
ओके चलो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है क्वेश्चन. Line AB 75 mm long, makes 45 inclination with VP. Okay, so this 45 is true inclination because it is the inclination of line. Is it? Here the line AB 75 mm long makes 45 inclination with VP. That means this is nothing but the inclination of line. So ये कौन सा inclination है? This is, what is the name of this inclination? 45 degree, alpha, beta, theta, phi. कौन सा है ये? 45 degree. Is it alpha? Is it beta? Is it theta? Is it phi? कौन सा एंगल है? कौन सा एंगल है? Line inclined to VP. Phi. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what while its front view makes an angle of 55 degree. So वो कौन सा एंगल होगा? 55
Theta.
theta. Front view max, not the line is making inclination with XY. Front view alpha. Is it?
Alpha.
चलो ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, वहां पे इजी है. 75, 45, 55, 10 and 15. Okay. देखो, for that question length of AB is given 75 mm. Okay, theta is given. Okay, inclination with phi is given, inclination with VP. Vertical plane is given as 45. Okay, inclination with vertical plane is given as 45, while alpha, inclination of front view, inclination of फ्रंट व्यू इज गिवन, कितना गिवन है 55, ओके इस 55, और क्या गिवन है, ए का कोऑर्डिनेट्स दैट इज 10 and 12 mm, 10 mm above and 12 mm in front of you. Okay, A is 10 mm above and 12 mm in front of VP. इतना गिवन है, ओके कैसे स्टार्ट करोगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ XY हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, हॉरिजॉन्टल रेफरेंस लाइन XY. नेक्स्ट क्या करोगे, व्हाट विल बी योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट, A, is it
Yes, sir.
10 and 12 mm, locate A dash properly and A. Okay, locate A dash and A properly. Distance are given as 10 and 12. Okay. Next क्या कर सकते हैं बताओ, 75 is given, 45 is given, means true inclination with vertical plane is given. Okay, so considered line inclined to vertical plane only, जो given है वही करना है, considered line inclined to vertical plane only, and draw the top view, top view in true length 45 degree and 75 mm. Okay, like this, 45 degree 75 mm. लोकेट हियर, इसको B2 लिखते थे, B2 ही लिखो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ड्रॉ a line parallel to XY. Okay, and here draw a projector line perpendicular to XY. Okay, join this तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा फ्रंट व्यू और ये हो गया टॉप व्यू, लाइन इंक्लाइन टू वर्टिकल प्लेन ओनली. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या कौन सा एंगल लिया है, दिस इज नथिंग बट फाई 45 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट क्या कर सकते हैं बताओ, नेक्स्ट एंगल ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू इज 55, एंगल ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू इज 55. कैसे लोकेट करोगे फ्रंट व्यू को, एनी आइडिया, टॉप व्यू में तो पहले बना दो एक लोकस लाइन, ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, बताओ कैसे करोगे, हाउ विल यू लोकेट फाइनल फ्रंट व्यू, दिस इज नथिंग बट लोकस लाइन. ओके, तो लोकस लाइन को लोकस लाइन की तरह बनाना है. हाउ विल यू लोकेट फ्रंट व्यू, एनी आइडिया, फ्रंट व्यू का लेंथ है तुम्हारे पास, फ्रंट व्यू का इंक्लिनेशन है, लोकेट कर सकते हो. वी हैव लेंथ ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू एज वेल एज इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू. ड्रॉ अ लाइन इंक्लाइंड एट 55 at this particular place.
Yes.
Is it, यही चीज है ना मीनिंग.
Yes, sir.
Draw a line inclined at 55 degree, okay, in this particular place like this. Now ये लेंथ जो A डैश B डैश B2 डैश है यही फाइनल लेंथ है, तो इसी को रोटेट कर दो या फिर इसी का आर्क लेके यहाँ पे कट करो, यही करना है ना.
Yes, sir.
एंड लोकेट प्रॉपरली B2 डैश, सॉरी B डैश, फाइनल B डैश, दिस इज नथिंग बट फाइनल B डैश. ओके, और ये कहाँ से आया, इसको रोटेट करने से. ये रोटेट किए तब आया, क्लियर है। ज्वाइन दिस टू ए डैश बी डैश। नेक्स्ट क्या कर सकते हो, यूज कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लाइन, ड्रॉप अ प्रोजेक्टर लाइन एंड फाइंड आउट द प्लेस ऑफ फाइनल बी। यहाँ पे फाइनल बी मिलेगा, इज इट? ज्वाइन ए बी, व्हाट इज दिस ए बी, व्हाट इज दिस ए बी? This is final top view.
Top view.
Clear? Now, if I want inclination with horizontal plane, यहाँ पे vertical plane से inclination given है 5. I want theta. थीटा कैसे मिलेगा? I want theta. थीटा कैसे लाओगे? So this is the locus. थीटा कैसे मिलेगा बताओ? देखो, थीटा निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to rotate this AB up to XY. Is it? Rotate this AB up to XY. XY तक rotate करो. Okay. So you'll get and find out B1. AB को रोटेट किया हमने, निकाला B1. Now we want B1 dash also. So B1 dash कैसे मिलेगा? Draw a projector line at this particular point and find out the intersection of that projector line with the locus. What is this? This is nothing but B1 dash join AB1 dash. ये AB1 dash क्या होगा? What is this AB1 dash? True length 75. And what about this inclination? This is true inclination of line theta. And these are the inclination of view. ये alpha है 55 degree. This is alpha 55 and this is beta for which. Okay. So देखो सेम सॉल्यूशन बना, यही सॉल्यूशन बना है या नहीं बना है? सेकेंड वाला भी इजी बन जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा ट्राई करो, ठीक है. So you can see, first of all locate A dash, then draw top view, true length. Okay. Then locate the front view. Okay, like this. देखो सेम चीजें हैं, इजी ना.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ अ लाइन, कितना हो गया टाइम? 4:31. फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ अ लाइन ए बी इज 50 डिग्री इंक्लाइंड टू एक्स वाई. कौन सा इंक्लिनेशन है बताओ? ये फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ अ लाइन इंक्लाइंड एट 50 डिग्री टू एक्स वाई.
Alpha.
अल्फा, वेरी गुड. एंड मेजर्स 55 mm long while it's 60 डिग्री इंक्लाइंड टू एक्स वाई. ये 60 डिग्री कौन सा है? योर इजी क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ अल्फा बीटा दोनों गिवन है कि नहीं? इज इट
Yes,
इजी?
sir.
Yes, sir.
हियर अल्फा बीटा बोथ आर गिवन और एक का लेंथ भी गिवन है. लेंथ ऑफ फ्रंट व्यू इज गिवन 55 डिग्री. So it is very easy. Okay. First of all, draw XY. Locate projections of A, which is I think 10 and 15. Now draw line inclined at 50 degree of length 55. यही रहेगा ना? Is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Line inclined at 50 degree passing from A dash of length equals to 55, which is given. So this is final front view, A dash B dash. Now drop a projector line at B dash and draw a line inclined at 60 degree from A. This is nothing but final top view. अब यहां से क्या कर सकते हो, फाइनल टॉप व्यू मिल गया. वी वांट इंक्लिनेशन, क्या पूछा है देखो, इट्स प्रोजेक्शन, फाइंड ट्रू लेंथ, फाइंड इंक्लिनेशन. तो अभी ट्रू लेंथ नहीं मिला है. वी हैव लेंथ ऑफ फाइनल फ्रंट व्यू एंड टॉप व्यू. ट्रू लेंथ कैसे मिलेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रोटेट दिस a dash b dash up to xy, find out b1 dash, one second, b2 dash, not b1 dash. This will be your b2 dash, is it? And find out b2. ये b2 है, ठीक है. हम लोग जो नोटेशन यूज कर रहे हैं उसमें इसका नेम क्या होगा, b2. एंड ज्वाइन. इट इज इट? ऐसा ही होगा ना. रोटेट a dash b dash up to xy, find out b2 dash, and from that b2 dash drop a projector line up to locus line. You'll get b2. So what about this inclination? This is true length. And what about this inclination? This will be phi. Okay. Now rotate this AB up to xy. Okay. Or you can directly find out that B1 dash length equals to AB2. Find out an arc on this particular line. You'll get position of B2, or you can make a rotation of this particular point and then drop a projector line. So here you will get B1 and this one B1 dash. Easy? बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा ये भी? आया ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next. अब देखो ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन है. Here the line AB is 75 mm long. Its front view and top view measures 50 and 60 mm long respectively. Do we have time? चलो ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक है? On that white board. तो याद करो लेंथ क्या क्या है, 75. 75 is true length. 50, 60 are the length of front view, top view respectively. Front view 50, top view 60, and A is 10, 15. Draw projections and find its. अब देखो यहाँ पे draw projection of line AB if and B is in the first quadrant. Okay, and B is in the first quadrant. Find its inclination with HPVP. Okay, so let's draw the projection of this line. First of all, the given things. Okay, AB, capital AB is given 75, is it? Then small a dash b dash is also given equal to 50, and small ab is given equal to 60. Okay, coordinates of A is given 10 and 15. A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Okay, draw its projections. Okay, first of all, draw a reference line XY. Next क्या करोगे? Next, anyone? Projection of which point? A or B? Which one?
Yes, sir.
A.
Yes, sir.
Projection of point A. So first of all, draw a projector line. Okay. Then draw the projections of A, 10 and 15. So 10 mm above and 15 mm below. Say here, 15 mm below, you'll get A. 10 mm above, you'll get A dash. Properly do the dimensions also. Okay, this is 10 and this is 15. Next क्या करेंगे बताओ? Next, see यहाँ पे देखो. See in this figure. A dash B dash straight line. We know the dimension. We know the length. A B2. Okay. We have the length 75. A dash B2 dash. We have the length 50. Can we draw this too easily? Can we? Yes or no? Anyone? We can easily draw it. A dash B2 dash for which the length is given. आया ना? यहाँ से draw करो. Draw a parallel line from this A of length equals to. ये length कितना होना चाहिए? Of length equals to
15.
50.
50 mm.
Write down this 50 mm. This is B2 dash. Okay. यहाँ से drop करो perpendicular line, perpendicular to XY, which is nothing but projector line also. Now यहाँ A dash से B2 dash का लेंथ कितना होना चाहिए? B2 का लेंथ कितना होना चाहिए? AB2. Length of AB2 75. True length. Line inclined to vertical plane only. ये पहला केस खत्म. This is nothing but of 50 mm length and this is 75. पहला केस. Okay. This is theta or phi. What is it? What it is? Theta or phi? ये क्या है एंगल? This is phi. Is it?
Yes, sir.
This is last question for today's class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, draw AB1 as a straight line parallel to XY, 60 mm. Now draw a projector line at this particular point and draw the true length 75 mm. Here also you'll get, यहाँ क्या मिलेगा? This one B1 dash and below you'll get B1. Okay. And this is of length, इसका length है 60 and this is of 75. Draw projector line, sorry not projector, locus line. यहाँ पे भी locus draw करो and here also. Rotate the views to the required position. Okay. So A dash B dash को rotate करो and find out the final position. like this. Okay, and draw the final length. This is final front view. Write down the name B dash. Okay, drop of perpendicular at this particular position. From B dash, drop of perpendicular projector line up to this locus line. You'll get final B also, which is very easy. Now join this two, you'll get final top. Either you can make a rotation from here also, like this. Easy? Easy? Measure the inclination. This is nothing but theta. Okay. And these are alpha and beta. This is alpha and this is beta. जो भी पूछता है कैलकुलेट करके आंसर दीजिए. Okay, so we have traces left. Okay, so traces next class में बता के सर प्लेन में स्टार्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है, जो नेक्स्ट क्लास लेंगे. कोई भी डाउट? लाइन इंक्लाइन टू बोथ द प्लेन. आज की क्लास में कोई भी डाउट? Any doubt in today's class? Up to line inclined to both the plane. समझ में आया कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत?
Yes, sir.
बन जाएंगे ना क्वेश्चंस?
जी सर.
यस सर.
सिर्फ दो ही लोग यस सर बोल रहे हैं, बाकी लोगों का क्या हाल है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes.
Yes, करने के बाद हो जाएगा.
Yes.
So only thing left particular is of line. Okay, तो ये traces of line जो भी next class स्टार्ट करेंगे वो बता देंगे. ठीक. Okay, आज I think we have 4:45. Okay, चलो ठीक है, next class में देखेंगे बाकी. Okay, you may leave this class now. I have taken already your attendance. Okay, I have taken this screenshot. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
65 students are there, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.